Hey guys, Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm, and here we just got done harvesting fresh oregano for our 14 Hy-Vee supermarkets that we serve every weekend. What an incredible product. You definitely have to get out this week and try our fresh oregano. It is amazing. As you can see, look at the beauty of that. It's an incredible product. Great for pizzas, spaghetti dishes. Pairs well with everything, chicken, fish. It's an amazing product, Ophelias Oregano. This week in our 14 Hy-Vee supermarkets, the flavor is amazing, fresh and local. It's a product you're gonna love. In fact, I guarantee it, if this isn't the best oregano that you've ever tried, reach out to me on our website, opheliasbluevine.com, and I'll buy it back. It's an incredible product while supplies last, in stores right now, 14 Hy-Vees in the Kansas City area, and this product is also available in the Hy-Vee aisle, so you can have it delivered with the rest of your grocery items. An incredible product, Ophelias Blue Vine, the fresh oregano.